Instagram itself is a funnel, and you need to know what role each feature plays to get the most out of this app. In this short video, I'm going to break it down and share what role each feature plays so that you know what you're supposed to do next. First, let's start with Reels. Reels are best for discoverability. They're a great way to get in front of new people. And this is also great for growing your email list. Make sure you have a mini chat or a linked DM funnel set up and that you have a call to action that gets them on your email list. Feed posts of things that go on your feed, that is great for either showing off your brand or for new and carousel posts connecting with people who are already following you. Think of this as a way to nurture. Typically, the people who regularly follow your stories are your hottest leads. They want to know you, they want to hear more about your life, they want to see behind the scenes content, and we do want to use the link sticker sparingly because it is one of the few places where you can share a link sticker. But don't just drop it in there or spam it because nobody will want to see that. Make sure you're actually sharing value or that you share a little something or different kinds of content than you're sharing in your Reels and your feed posts. In fact, the more actionable you can make your other content, the better, or the more personal you can get, the better. Whatever you feel most comfortable with. In the DMs, in your messages, that's where you will get the most sales. It's also where you will generate leads and get people on your email list. So you can either have chat bots and funnels set up, or you can do this manually. Episode 48 of the Social Media Magic podcast, I break it down how to do this. And then if you go live with other people, another great way to get discovered and get some loyalty. Practical social media tips.